Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm showing how you can use the new offset feature in Cricut Design Space to make a t-shirt. This video was meant to put out for Cinco de Mayo, and as I'm filming this, that is tomorrow, but it's a fun summer shirt as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do, and I would love it if you subscribed if you are new to my channel. Go to upload and upload the design that I'm using for this. I'm going to select that and insert it into Cricut Design Space. This is one of my SVGs available through my membership. These images are hand drawn. I work with somebody who draws these for me, and I'll give her a vision of what I want it to look like. If you like this image, then definitely check out my Patreon membership info in the description box below. We have over 200 images, and you can use these for personal and commercial use, so definitely check it out. Right now this whole image is grouped together, so I'm going to need to ungroup it. You can see in the layers panel there's tons of layers because this is hand drawn, so it looks a little intimidating, but what I'm going to do is click ungroup. I want to group the lime together. For me, the easiest way to do this is just drag over it instead of trying to find the specific layers in the layers panel. So I just drag over it, and then I'll come down or come up here and click group. Now I'm going to group the rest of this. I'll just drag over it and I'll see if I can grab the A. And yep, it looks like it was able to grab the A, and I'll hit group. Next, I'm going to do the offset layer first for the words. So I'll come up here where it says offset, and here you can make the design bigger or smaller. So you can make it a lot bigger and you can see this line around it, or you can make it smaller. You'll just want to play around with it to see what you like. I'm going to try that and hit apply. It's open a little bit on the sides here and not through here, but I think it's fine. I am going to leave it. Now I'm going to come down and do the lemon. So I'll select, or the lime or lemon. I'll select on that and go to offset. And I might make this one a little bit thinner. Then I'll hit apply again, and I like how that looks. Now I'm just going to change the colors of these. I'm going to leave the design black, but I'm just going to change the offset colors. So I'm going to select the offset, then I'll come up here and I'm going to make this an orange color. Then I'll come over to the lime offset, and I'm going to change that to yellow. I love how that looks. Now I'm going to size it. I'm going to make this whole thing 9 inches for the width. Now I'm just going to separate these. This is all one piece, so I don't need to do anything with this. And I'm going to bring this over. And this is all one piece too, so I'm just going to leave those. And coming over to this is grouped together. I am going to weld it together instead. So I'm just going to hit weld. And this one also is 3 different layers, so it's not going to show up like this when you click make it, so you need to attach it. I'm actually just going to weld this one also. You can see the 4 different layers here. Now I'm going to click on make it. Both of these designs I'm using black vinyl, and it'll place it on the same mat, and then it'll separate these by color. I'm also using HTV, so I need to mirror these. Now I'll come down here and click continue, and I'm going to select everyday iron-on for my vinyl type. It'll cut out the black heat transfer vinyl first. I'm using a roll of Caesar HTV. Since I'm using HTV, I place the vinyl shiny side down on the mat. I thought it would be fun to make this shirt with fluorescent colors, and I was surprised by how bright it actually was. I picked both of these up at Michael's. Even though I sped the video up so it looks like I'm weeding this like crazy fast, I love how easy heat transfer vinyl is to weed. I've been making a lot of adhesive vinyl projects, and it was a nice change weeding this instead. I set my Easy Press 2 to 315 at 30 seconds. The t-shirt I'm using is a Bella canvas shirt, and it's 100% cotton. What I like to do first is fold the shirt in half and make sure that the armpits are lined up. Then I run my easy press over the shirt while it's preheating. This not only preheats the shirt to prep it for the vinyl, but it also finds the center of the shirt as well. It might be a little hard to see on camera, but there will be a line running down the center of the shirt. I have a t-shirt guide that I love to use to line up my designs. I line the arrow on that up with the center of my shirt. I place both shadow layers down on my shirt. I piece both of these together to help me find the center. I fold my vinyl to help me find the center, but I also use my alignment tool as well. With the alignment tool, I know that my design is 9 inches wide, so I would need to line each edge up with the 4.5 mark on the ruler to help me find the center as well. I remove the lime now that I know that my whole design is centered. I don't press both of these at the same time because the carrier sheets are overlapping, and I've had troubles with that in the past, so I decided to do them separately. I have my Teflon sheet on top. You can use parchment paper, and then I place my Easy Press 2 on top of that. Since I'll be adding more vinyl to this shirt, I only press it for half the time. I let it go down to 15 seconds, then remove my Easy Press. That should be just enough heat to remove the carrier sheet. I would also recommend removing the carrier sheet slowly to make sure it's stuck down well. Next, I add the shadow for the lime and place the Teflon sheet back on top and press it for 15 seconds. Next, I add both designs on top. One of the carrier sheets did overlap a little and I didn't notice it, but it ended up being fine. Since this is the last press, I press it for the full 30 seconds. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would love it if you checked out my Patreon membership if you like images like this one. Also, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and I would love it if you subscribe to my channel if you are new, and have a great day.